Today we are outside the house of Dr. Fanibhushan, senior psychiatrist in Guntur. And if you think the house is very unique looking and beautiful, you should see the way he is practicing his psychiatry in view of the COVID times today. Surrounded by nature on this cloudy day. It's beautiful, the garden is green, and any patient who has a psychiatric problem, I think even before he gets the prescription, will find it very soothing and comfortable in this atmosphere. He has installed a safety barrier between himself and the patient, and he is following your social distance norms and with adequate comfort. And in Guntur, I think this is the optimal season to sit outdoors and enjoy nature as well. It's not just the clinic of Dr. Fanibhushan that is beautiful. Even his house is a pleasure to be in. He brought the whole garden indoors and surrounded it by pets. It is an oasis of tranquility. Such a beautiful place to be in. And I'd like to have a few words with Dr. Fanibhushan. Yeah. Good morning, Fanibhushan. Today I have heard about your concept of sunshine clinics, and it was very unique and novel. So I want to take some of your insights into that. What made you start these sunshine clinics in the first place?
Till COVID-19, I never saw a patient in my house. So almost 29 years, I was seeing my patients only at my clinic. So with the changing scenario, my hospital was adopted by government for COVID cases. There is no alternative for me. So my sons, they're bent upon having a sunlight clinic. So that's how I started my open garden bar sunlight clinic, so that keeping in view of the social distance as well as the other precautions expected both by doctor as well as a patient.
Excellent. So I can say that you are a proud father of two caring sons.
Yes.
Very nice of them.
Thank you.
So the other question I want to ask you is, there are so many online portals nowadays. So why did you not take up one of those online portals?
Of course. My patients prefer direct telecounseling
Because they are
through WhatsApp.
Psychiatric patients. They want
through WhatsApp.
Contact
Because some of them are not very well versed with online portals. Actually, I was enrolled in some of the online portals, but there are hardly any case.
Not happy with them.
So even now also, apart from my clinic, I am consulting online.
Excellent. And the one that is on everybody's mind as a practitioner, I also feel, how is your practice since you started this kind of clinics?
Absolutely fine. There is no problem at all. In fact, it's doubled.
Oh, nice to hear. So I wish that more doctors will adopt this. But I think one of the advantages you have is your practice depends on interviewing the patient, then examining him.
See, as psychiatrist, actually, that is an added comfort for me. And nowadays, actually, patients preferring to see me in my house rather than in the clinic setting.
Yeah, the surroundings are actually very beautiful, so that they won't feel apprehensive, they can feel at home. So that's a very personal touch you have added, and very happy with that conversation.